Now to dimensioning. On Revit, under the modify catalog, we have got measure and dimensions. Normally we use align dimensions. As you can see indicated in the drop down, the short form for dimensions is DI. At this point, I think it's important for me to explain that in architecture we have got 3 standard dimension phases. First, we dimension out to out edges. Secondly, you dimension the in-to-in of the wall spaces. Thirdly, you dimension the grids, and then you dimension the overall length of that exterior space. You can also check out our channel and find videos on how to place grids, but I will quickly run through it now. Click architecture, and on the interface you find grid at the top right corner. When placing your grids, it's important to know that your grid should be on the middle of the walls. Why? Because the grids is one of the most important components of this architectural working drawing, as it's used for setting out and for structural analysis. So please make sure, like you can see this one is out of place. You quickly use the align tool, which the short form is AL as indicated, and align it to the middle of that wall. Quickly run through this. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll use A here. We'll just quickly change it to A and B. Because you also see that once you change it at the top, it also changes at the bottom bubble. In this corner, we'll name them numerically. The grids help whoever is going to be interpreting this drawing to make proper analysis of whatever you want to do. And so it's easy to just reference grid A, grid B, grid 1, grid 2 whenever you're referring to a space. Now back to our dimensions. So architecturally we have got 4 dimension phases. The first one, which is closest to the subject, is the dimension of openings. Secondly, you dimension the walls, and thirdly, you dimension the grids. The last dimension phase is the overall phase, so I'll quickly just do that now. DI, and dimension the openings on this end. We'll just quickly show us 1 or 2 things about dimensioning the interior parts of the floor plan. Most times, it's important that you never forget to put out the overall dimension of the space internally. In cases where you have got a call out, you could literally just dimension the in-to-in of an internal space and give more details in your call outs, so your drawings don't look too busy. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll place all the furnitures on a lighter green. Some persons may prefer to hide them totally. Some persons may just simply do override graphics. You select furniture, override graphics of all categories. As you can see, it's already on half tone. If you uncheck the half tone and apply, it becomes thicker. But by checking it back, you could see that it's in the background, so it does not compete graphically with the dimensions. So yes, we succeeded in dimensioning this internal space and all its openings. So with this, I've been able to show us how to dimension plans. As you can see, external dimensions and internal dimensions in this case. Please follow for subsequent videos, and I'm showing us how to dimension divisions and sections. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.